In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Teamviewer subscription in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few key steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in and make it as simple as possible for you. First, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the search field, type Teamviewer and press Enter. Once the search results load, click on the official Teamviewer website link to go to their homepage. This is where you'll be able to access your account. Now that you're on the Teamviewer homepage, look for the Login section. Here, you have two options to sign in. Either use your registered email and password combination or opt for single sign-on, often abbreviated as SSO. SSO is handy if you have linked your Teamviewer account with another service for authentication. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. In the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a small question mark icon. It's easy to overlook, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on this icon will open up a new set of options related to help and support. This is where you can find all the assistance you need regarding your subscription and other services. Hover your mouse over the Support tab in this menu. A drop-down menu should appear, and from there, select Contact Support. This will guide you through to the Teamviewer support section of their website, where you can initiate the cancellation process. Now, you're almost there. On the support page, scroll down until you see the option to Submit a Support Request. This particular section is vital for formalizing the cancellation request. It's designed to streamline your communication with their support team. Click on the Submit a Support Request link. You'll usually find a form where you can provide all the necessary details for your cancellation. Be sure to fill out this form carefully and confirm any details that might be required to validate your request. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the cancellation of your Teamviewer subscription. The support team should get in touch to confirm the process or to request further information if needed. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your email for any updates or confirmations regarding your cancellation. I hope this guide has been helpful, and that you found it clear and easy to follow. Canceling a subscription doesn't have to be stressful, and with these straightforward steps, you can handle it all on your own without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.